Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making a cold, flaky crust because temperature controls texture. First, combine 250 g flour and 1 tsp salt, then cut 170 g cold butter into 1/2 cubes. Pulse or rub until pea-sized pieces remain so steam creates layers while baking. Once done, add 3-4 tablespoon ice water gradually until dough just holds. Make sure you press into a disc and chill about 30 minutes at 4 degrees C. You now handle the delicate transfer and filling so structure stays intact. Roll chilled dough to 3-4 mm thickness and lift using the rolling pin to ease into the pan. Don't stretch. Trim and crimp the edges for an even bake. If recipe needs blind baking, dock the base and line with parchment and weights. Meanwhile, make the filling. Whisk sugar with 2-3 eggs and flavorings, fold in fruit or custard base. Once filled, smooth surface and tap pan to remove air pockets. You finish by baking and then stabilizing the pie so slices hold cleanly. Bake at 180 degrees 200 degrees C until crust is golden and filling set near the center. Make sure to shield edges with foil if they brown too fast. Once done, cool on a rack for 1-2 hours to let residual heat complete setting. Before serving, glaze or dust for shine. If you get a soggy base or runny filling, blind bake longer. Reduce filling moisture next time, or return to oven for an extra 10-20 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.